guys, I had given up. I had not given up the diet. I'm still paleo, but I'd given up that I was going to lose weight. I've been 208 for, last week I hadn't lost weight in three weeks. And then suddenly I'm at 204.6. That's like 4 pounds. And I literally was going to do a video today. If I weigh myself right now and it was 208, 208 and a half, whatever, around there, even 207 and a half, 207, I was literally going to do a video called, should I go keto? Basically, should I give up my fruit? And I was getting sad thinking about it because I knew I was just doing a diet not to enjoy it, a diet to lose weight. So I'm just trying to get a result and I'm not enjoying the process. And man, do I know really well about that. Like for me as a person, if I don't enjoy the process, I tune out big time. Like I'm useless. But if I enjoy the process, it almost kind of doesn't matter the results. And and I was debating. I was about to do a video on should I go keto. I had not decided yet. I still have not decided yet. I don't like the idea of doing something that I would not have fun with. But I lost 4 pounds. Let's take some pictures in the mirror and see you guys next week. Let's hope fucking this continues. So I'm staying paleo.
It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown.